What are the advantages of using servo motors in roll forming machines? Precisely control the position. Servo motors have high precision position control capabilities. After inputting instructions for adjusting parameters, precise control can ensure the consistency of product size and shape. Fast dynamic response and speed control. Servo motors have fast dynamic response capabilities and can accelerate and decelerate in a very short time. This is important for fast cycles and efficient production during the molding process. High degree of automation. Servo motors are usually highly integrated with the control system. They can be programmed and controlled through software, and instructions for adjusting width parameters can be entered to quickly adjust the width without manually adjusting the roll forming machine, completing complex motion control and process optimization. This enables the roll forming machine to adapt to multiple specifications of production needs, and improve production flexibility and efficiency. Kigreel provides a variety of roll forming machine solutions. Welcome to choose Kigreel.